Hello, amigos. We are going to review improper fractions today. Improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions. So you have three things to do today, okay? The first one is watch the video on improper fractions. Let's just remember to answer. Sorry, man, I had coffee. I'm burping a lot. Okay, so watch the video. The second thing is play the game. And the third thing is do the worksheet. And the worksheet is front and back. Okay, but just as a reminder, let's do a little review of improper fractions. Okay, so if I have a fraction like 12 over 5, okay? The first thing I know is no matter what this denominator is, it's going to be the same one over here, okay? I might have more than that, but it's definitely going to be the same one. Now, I have to look at 12. So if I have fraction pieces that are cut into 5, right? Okay, so these each have 5 pieces, right? And how many are colored in? 12. 12 are colored in. And I know that because I'm looking at this number right here, 12. So I have to color in 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so how many whole numbers do I have? How many full pies do I have? I have 2 because I have this one is a whole pie and this one is a whole pie. So I know I'm going to have 2 in the front of my mixed number. And then remember, each pie has 5 pieces, so that's why we have the 5 as our denominator. And how many in this one? How many are colored in? How many are colored in here? 2 out of 5. So 2 and 2/5 is exactly the same as 12/5. Okay, you'll get another reminder of that throughout the video, but just so you know, play the game for about 5-10 minutes, okay, and then you can move on to your worksheet. So let me just make sure you know your 3 things to do today. Okay, I'm gonna write this down for you. Holy moly, what is happening? Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I'm not gonna write this down. I'm going to stop this video. Everything is weird today. Have a great day, guys.